What is up, everybody? We are out here at the ranch. Went ahead and tilled all this area because this is where we're going to plant a bunch of trees and shrubs and things like that. And right now I'm just kind of manicuring the land. And so we've got our backhoe over here, and I'm going to be digging this swale. So I just started, and I'm getting the hang of it. So I'm starting to kind of figure it out. But the plan is to contour the land. So we're going to take this swale all the way across this whole kind of dirt patch, and then I'll come even it out with the shovel and whatnot. But I just wanted to get the major swale lines all put into place. And swales are going to help with water retention. So as the water runs off this big field back here, it'll hit the swale and kind of slow down and saturate into the ground versus just running straight off. So we're going to get that started. Going to go all the way across here, and I'm going to go ahead and put you on time lapse, and you guys can watch the action. Just slow and steady digging this trench all the way across, and you get to see me on the backhoe in action. So keep on watching, and let's get it going. Well, we got the trench dug. That's pretty exciting. A little swale. So I want to come back through here with the shovel and just kind of smooth it out and rake it out a little bit. And then I think we're just going to do this one today. And then all those wood chips over there, we're going to put them in the back of the dump trailer and just bring big piles of wood chips over here. And we're going to get this all ready to start planting. So let the wood chips kind of sit there for a while and let the soil kind of amend. But that's the idea. I'm pretty excited that I was able to get this trench done. First real project with the backhoe, and it worked out pretty well. So glad that worked out, and hope you enjoyed watching. It might not be that exciting, but watching me dig this trench, I really enjoyed it, and it's cool to see progress. So hope you stay tuned and keep watching as we keep making progress here on the ranch. All right, stay tuned.